What is this?
What? Oh.
That, my friends, is Super Mario Sunshine, or more specifically, randomized Sunshine. You see, my best friend had a plan to trick me into playing this randomizer. Him as a seasoned veteran Sunshine player, a literal hydrogen bomb versus basically a coughing baby. This had been the funniest idea in his head, and he carefully knitted a plan that had no chance of working whatsoever, and I have no idea how it worked. But it got me into playing. As far as randomizers go, the rules were pretty simple. All the levels and warp zones were randomized, collect rainbow shines to unlock your basic abilities in the game, and get as far in the game as possible. Sounds easy, right? Right?
What do you actually need? Hold on. This isn't fair. I got a worse one.
Me when I actually forget how to ground pound?
You can ground pound, remember?
Oh, that's right. That didn't happen.
No. Please. Did you die?
No. I died.
That's actual dog shit as a first fucking nozzle. What the hell?
What is it, the rocket nozzle?
It's the rocket nozzle.
Okay, I got it. Oh, it's the hover nozzle. Yeah, okay, this is good.
Oh wow, must be nice.
Yeah, it is nice. How am I gonna fight this guy if I can't shoot?
You have to get lucky. I get lucky. I did not get lucky.
Okay, well, I think I did well. I fucking hate these.
So look at this, right? 'Cause I can't necessarily do the first boss until I get either the hover or spray nozzle. So I went to this one, right?
Yeah.
I went to that one, which is supposed to be the pachinko machine.
What?
Because the whole thing is like load zones. Well, the low zones are the randomizers.
What is this shit?
So Peanut Park is filled with fucking randomizers. Because this is supposed to be the end of the Bowser fight.
Oh, so you just got the end game shot.
And I got spray nozzle. I win.
What do you mean? No. I feel like I'm silent because this is actually starting to piss me off now. Get it!
When you're slightly pushing.
Oh, I'm so green.
I'm so green.
Little fucking bastard turns around every fucking time. Am I bad at this? Come on!
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh my god! I think I'm actually stupid.
Well, you got that! You got him!
Fuck you! So after defeating Bowser Jr. for the first time and struggling forever on the way to the next level, it was truly time to start my slow descent into madness. I was gonna... Who am I? Suck it, Pontissimo! Couldn't be a rainbow.
I'm starting just from like backwards to forward.
A rainbow! Oh!
And it's a chugster level? Oh, you're cooked.
Barely got me a journal today. Life is good. He's really suffering bad.
Sure.
Oh, well, you know, I'm
There-
There ain't no fucking way that.
So oh, you look like a rainbow shine, Eric. On my L on PC race on the same.
It worked.
Oh fuck, it's a secret shine.
And that's it? It's this? It's this right here?
Yeah. Yeah, good luck with that. Good luck with angling him, right?
I fucked up.
Sorry.
That's rough, buddy.
For a second, I thought you were just soft locking into the fall animation. I fucked up.
I don't want to play anymore.
Oh, boy.
I don't want to play this game anymore.
I won it.
I don't think you understood. My booty clenched when that happened.
It's okay, I probably wouldn't even get past the first level. Let's be honest.
No!
I mean, kind of.
Me when I forget there's a safe state.
You know, I mean, Eric, if you want to make this a fair race, you could turn on everything for you.
What do you mean, turn on everything?
Like, there's an option to have all your stuff.
Nah.
So you're just...
What is this? My fucking nemesis. Me and you both, Mario. Please! I like Dragon Ball.
What the fuck?
Do you like Dragon Ball?
What do you like, Dragon Ball? You should probably not do this level, man. There are other levels for you to do.
I don't care.
I don't know if I can.
Dude, when did the wind get the fucking moveset? Please.
Right there, the thing, the pool, the little pool in there. Go in the pool.
Does that have water?
Oh, it doesn't. It normally
does it
does.
now?
It normally does. I think it has. I think it has.
I'm going to the lake.
I think it has. Why do you think to do all the hard work first? If I know I can't do it, I just leave.
I don't know. I think it'll be funny. I could suffer, and then when the easy part comes, I get happy. It gives me dopamine when the good parts happen. Pussy! It wasn't even rainbow. This isn't worth it. I almost died to the fucking wind, bro.
No, you have to get it. You have to get it. You have to... Is that a rainbow? That is a rainbow!
The entirety of the fucking pride flag just like to present itself to you, Christian? Is anything is anything good in this game? No, but I'm saying in actuality, it's a triple jump.
Oh, Eric, I got another rainbow.
I'm gonna stop the recording. Oh, free! Oh, it's not free.
Yes.
It is free. That's definitely free. What are you talking about?
So how do I get this bitch down?
Uh-huh. Oh.
Slow. No!
I mean, I think you can.
Slow and steady. Stop. Stop. It's okay. Mama's got you, please. Do you see what's happening right now? What does this mean? Even if it takes me... Why does it do that? Why does it do that? It gives me like a... You're gonna see cardiac arrest tonight, dude. Please. Please.
What happened? What happened?
I'm gonna actually fucking destroy a civilization.
Why aren't you safe dating if you're struggling? This fucking guy, bro. Oh no!
You shouldn't have taught me this, because every inch I'm just gonna...
You fucking guy, bro.
Just gonna pray for my life here. Where do I put it? Where do I put it? Christian, please!
On the bridge! On the bridge! What are you doing?
What do you mean?
Like, why does it zig to the right unexpectedly, then just go back to its normal pathing?
Zig Bruna should have zagged!
Oh!
Now you got a new rainbow shine.
It's ground pound. It's a ground pound.
That's actually good.
It's not that. It's not.
Oh. I don't want a coin.
Wait, that's the end. It's the end.
Oh, you got it.
It's
Yeah.
not rainbow,
Look,
but
yeah.
it's the
Wow,
end.
it wasn't a rainbow.
No.
I mean, that sounds like a you issue.
I want to make this fully clear. I didn't agree to this. He
He
lied
did.
to
Look,
me.
look in the chat. Well, I said, "Do you want to race?" And he said yes.
Okay, but when you say race, I'm talking about.
But it's not my fault. You assumed.
Oh,
You might want to say fade as well. If you're up there.
yeah,
Hey.
but I hate this shit. Why does the wind have a move set?
That's to knock you off. It has
Why
to be
does the
difficult.
wind have a move set?
Oh, hey, look! I found my watermelon festival,
So glad.
and it's rainbow shine too.
I'm so proud.
Thank you. I sprayed your ass with one.
Huh? Oh man.
Okay, I'll tell you right now, you're not gonna be able to do this one. That one's on a time limit. Eric, I told you you can't do this one.
Watch this shit, bitch. Yeah. Oh. And he went on to beat the level. I'm cutting it here not because there isn't any more footage, but because reasons. But if you did enjoy me losing myself for 10 minutes and want to see more, consider watching anything else I've done. I don't know how to end these.